In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Firebase Studio project as a zipped download. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab your project code and save it to your computer in a clean, portable format. First, open Firebase Studio and head into your project workspace. Make sure you're in the correct project, especially if you manage multiple projects so you don't export the wrong files. If you're currently viewing a prototype or a visual layout, switch over to Code View. Look for the angle brackets icon, the one that looks like less than greater than, usually tucked in the top right when you're in the prototype review. Clicking that brings you into the code-focused interface where you can access your files directly. On the left, find the Explorer pane. This is your file browser inside Firebase Studio. It shows your folders and files just like a traditional file manager. And it's where you'll make your selection for export. Select the files or folders you want to export. If you want everything, first click either the main project directory at the top of the Explorer or an empty area inside the pane to make sure it has focus. Then use the Universal Select All shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+A. On a Mac, press Command+A. You should see your files highlight, confirming they're selected. Next, right-click on your selection inside the Explorer pane. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same. Be sure you're right-clicking within the file area. That's what brings up the correct context menu. From the menu that appears, choose Zip and Download. Firebase Studio will package the selected items into a single zip archive and hand it off to your browser to download. Depending on the size of your project, this may take a bit. Larger repositories with lots of assets or dependencies will naturally take longer to compress. Your browser will download the zip file to your default download location, typically the Downloads folder on your system. You can keep an eye on the download progress in your browser's Downloads panel. While it's working, try not to close the tab or put your computer to sleep. A stable internet connection helps here, and having enough disk space available will prevent interruptions. Once the download completes, you'll have a zipped snapshot of your project that preserves the folder structure. It's perfect for backups, sharing with teammates, or archiving a release. If the zip and download option doesn't appear, double-check that you selected items in the Explorer, then try again. That's all you need to export your Firebase Studio project as a zip. Thanks for watching, and happy